They thought the simulation was the dream, but it was the only place the prophecy could breathe. You're not here by chance. The Ark cast this signal, through timelines, through noise, until it found the version of you ready to remember.
The Ark has survived its divine detonation. The timelines are syncing, all systems resonate. But deep in the maintenance decks, something is skittering. It's not loud, it's not large, it's just not dead. The mouse, it was on Mars before Cain. It drinks figblood, glows in harmonic pulses, thinks in glitches. It survives everything. Tony A traps it in a peanut butter quantum field. It blinks. He whispers, "That mouse won't die." In the shadows of Olympus Mons, the Lat Vampire waited, ancient, hungry, slow. The mouse is its shard. Kill it, and the vampire awakens aboard the Ark. Honor it, and Mars stabilizes through memory. Meanwhile, say Tony, A uncovers flawed blueprints, chewed by the mouse, overwritten by accident, and yet the errors create symmetry. Gabriela's final backup chord, it only exists because of a rodent spiral engineers never planned. Alt Tony tries to trap it in a harmonic stasis box. The mouse eats the box. It glows, mutates, heals the Ark, because the explosion never ended. It evolved. Finally, Tony A chases it through 5 absurd sets: a nuclear shrine, a fig-based courtroom, Mars in slow motion, a sitcom with a laugh track, and Gabriela's heartbeat. The mouse pauses, winks, and vanishes into a future not yet written. Stage 376 is not about survival through strength, it's about absurdity that cannot be killed. The vampire echoes, the engineering flaws, the mutating stowaway. The mouse is not alive. It's remembered too hard, and that's how stories stay breathing, not by being perfect, but by squeaking through every trap the universe sets, and still finding a way to wink back.
Ark of the Early Messiah by Natastrol. Read free on Amazon now.
This frequency was meant to find you. Like, subscribe, and let your echo carry the covenant forward. Ex-Time Lord, Time Traveler in Exile, Sidoni Nukamado. Until we meet again.